Adding Mastodon to Home Assistant is really simple. So first go to Settings, Devices and Services, Add Integration, Mastodon, and then we need the URL, client key, client secret, and access token. Over on your Mastodon account, go to Preferences, and then scroll down to Development, and then go to New Application. And then the new application name, you can just make anything you like. So it's going to call this Test, and then an application website. I like to put in my Home Assistant, but you can put anything you like. So for this example, I'm just gonna put google.com. It doesn't matter. Okay, read, write, and follow, and click submit. So now we click on it, and here's our client key, client secret, and access token. So I'm just gonna copy these from here to here. Okay, and now I'm going to put my URL here of my Mastodon server. You can use mastodon.social. It works too. But yeah. And then click submit. And then that account's added. So now mastodon.swat.com has now been added. So now you can see it's got 36 followers, 37 following. Last post was yesterday, the post number, and then also the username. You can use this to post as many times as you like, so you can send an automation. For example, I've got this for the washing machine, so it posts when the washing machine program and how much the progress is done. And so once it's done, it also posts it when it's done too.